Good morning. It's Friday, April 17th. For today, if you go into the assignment, you are going to compare and contrast the two articles you read the last 2 days. So Wednesday you had an article on yellow fever, and yesterday you had an article on the coronavirus. You're going to take the information from the two articles. Oh, I don't know why that says Mondays and Tuesdays. I need to fix that. And you're going to choose from one of the organizers that we provided. So if you click on compare and contrast, there are two different types of organizers. One is a Venn diagram. You're very familiar with that. Okay, so you'll do each one and then what they have in common in the middle. And the other one is a simple T-chart. So you decide which one you want. You're not doing both of those, okay? You only have to choose one chart to do, and you're just comparing and contrasting the similarities and differences of those two types of viruses, basically. Okay? Let us know if you have any questions today. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday. Bye.